Good morning, 5th grade. This is your math lesson for Thursday, May the 14th. All right, we are on page 646 in your math book, so go ahead and find that. Okay, this is still talking about volume, and today we're going to find unknown dimensions. Now, I just want to remind you that we know that let me zoom this in a little bit. Okay, we know that the volume formula is length times width times height. And today we're just going to abbreviate that a little bit because length and width multiplied together is the area of the base. So today they're just calling it base times height because base is length times width. Okay, so I hope that doesn't confuse you because it's the same thing. When you find the base, you multiply the length times width, and that's your area of the base, which is squared because you're multiplying 2 units. And then once you multiply the third unit, now it's cubed. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense to you. And what we're saying today is that if you have 2 out of the 3 dimensions and you know the complete volume of this whole shape, then you're going to be able to find that third dimension. Okay, so the volume of this whole prism is 56 cubic feet. And we know the area of the base, which was length times width, that's 8 feet. So 56 equals 8 times what? Well, we know that 56 divided by 8 is 7. So 7 is your height because 7 times 8 is 56. Therefore, the height is 7 feet. All right, let's look at the next one. Can you get all that in? Almost. Okay, the volume of the rectangular prism is 180 cubic centimeters. So this whole thing is 180 cubic centimeters. We have the height, we have the width. Now we don't have the length. Well, now they're showing it to you this way. Length times width times height. We know that 180, the whole thing, equals length, which we don't know, times 5 times 4. We have these 2 dimensions. All right, now they're breaking it down, showing you that, well, 5 times 4 is 20, so length times 20 is going to be 180. And the way to do that would be to divide by 20. 180 divided by 20 is, what? Is 9. 9 times 20 is 180. Therefore, the length is 9 centimeters. Okay, let me pull this out a little bit. Okay, let's do these first 2 together. Find the dimensions of the unknown of the rectangular prism. Okay, we have our whole prism here is 48 cubic centimeters, and the area of the base, which is length times width, is 12. What's 48 divided by 12? 4. So H is 4 centimeters. And then 81 cubic inches is the whole entire volume. We have 3 as the length, 9 as the height. 9 times 3 is 27. Therefore, 81 divided by 27 is 3. 27 into 81 is 3 inches. Okay, and just to, I guess I should do this for you. 48 divided by 12 gives you that. And this one is 81 divided by 27. That's where you got that from. All right, now let's look at the example on page 648. Try and pull this out so you can see it. There we go. Okay. A traveler buys the painting shown. Well, the volume of the suitcase, the whole volume, is 1,820 cubic inches. Can this painting lie flat inside the suitcase? Well, let's see. We know that this whole thing is 1,820 cubic inches. We have 2 coordinates. We have 7 inches height, 13 inches wide. And we know we need that length. So 13 times 7 is 91. They've done that for us. And now they're showing us we have to divide 1,820 by 91. And shortcut, that gives us 20. 20 inches is the length. So now let's compare. The length of the painting is 14. The length of the suitcase is 20. So 14 is less than 20. So far so good. Width of the painting is 13. The width of the suitcase is, width of the painting is 11. Suitcase. So that is good. So the painting, yes, it can. Oh, you can't see that. Sorry. it can lie flat inside the suitcase. All right, you're going to do 647 and 648 and turn in to me tomorrow. Thank you.